How to cancel your iCloud storage plan 2024. If you want to cancel your iCloud storage subscription but not sure how, watch this video to the end. I'll show you how to cancel your iCloud storage plan on iPhone or Mac. Now, without further ado, let's get started to cancel your iCloud storage. To cancel your iCloud plan on iPhone, first open your settings. Tap your name at the top. Then select iCloud. Scroll down and tap Manage your plan. Then select Downgrade Options. Enter your Apple ID password, then tap Manage. You can then choose a cheaper iCloud plan or select the free option to cancel your iCloud Plus subscription. To cancel your iCloud storage plan on Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. Click your name on the left. Now select iCloud. Then click Manage. Click Change Storage Plan. At the bottom, click Downgrade Options. Enter your Apple ID password, then click Manage. You can then choose a cheaper iCloud plan or select the free option to cancel your iCloud Plus subscription. Click Done to save your changes. And that's it. That's how to cancel your iCloud storage subscription. When you downgrade or cancel your iCloud Plus plan, the change takes effect after your current subscription billing period ends. If your current iCloud storage exceeds your new storage plan capacity, iCloud won't sync or update your information. iCloud will update again once you delete some items to make more space. If you cancel iCloud Plus and downgrade to the free iCloud plan, you will no longer have access to iCloud Plus features like Hide My Email, Private Relay, and HomeKit secure video support. Thanks for watching. To learn more about iCloud tips and tricks, check out our playlist of iCloud tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.